Hi everyone! Finally, I'm here with a very big surprise. Please stay tuned. You are going to be very impressed. I have seen many of you eager to learn more, develop your skills, and tackle tough repairs with confidence. And I want to be right there with you to help you reach that next level. Imagine having me by your side, guiding you live step by step as you work through your toughest repairs. Whether you are dealing with no power issues, short circuits, dead motherboards, BIOS programming, tablet issues, smartphones, smart TVs. I will be there with you in a real time to show you exactly what to do. From measuring voltages, checking key points, desoldering components, to troubleshooting no data boards and diagnosing complex failures. Thank you so much for being part of this community. I am very excited to see you grow, learn, and succeed. Please check out the link at the top of the description so you can choose the membership that best fits your goals. See you inside.